welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my favorite summer specific mini facial, and that mini facial we'll be doing with the ice cubes, the whole facial with ice cubes. Facial with ice cube sounds funny, huh? Without wasting the time, let's get into it. We need 3 items. No, 4 items. First one is the beet, and then we have tomato, then we have a fresh aloe vera and a little bit of lemon juice. We need to extract the aloe vera gel from the stick, and then we have to blend the tomato separately. We have to blend the beet separately. We need to take the ice cubes tray and we need to pour the beets juice, then tomato juice, and then aloe vera juice, and then we have to take little bit of drops in each of the cube. Why we need to use the lemon juice in each of the ice cube? Because lemon has the vitamin C in it, and which is really good for the skin. This video will be little messy, so you have to bear with me. Let's jump into the mini facial with ice cubes right away. I have washed my face with the cold water, and now I'm going to tie my hair with this band. Let's do it right away. Okay, we are ready to start now. I have took out all the ice cubes. This is beets ice cube, this is aloe vera ice cube, and this one is tomatoes ice cube. First we'll go with the cleansing. Since we came from outside and a lot of sun damage happened already, so we are going to soothe our skin with the aloe vera ice cubes. These 2 ice cubes, and start gently massaging on my face in a circular motion. So it does 2 things. It soothes your skin, at the same time it cleanses your skin so deeply, it cleanses your pores so deeply. Aloe vera is known for soothing the skin, any dark spots or any discoloration, it will soothe out, it removes. Do you know that ice cubes are really good for the pores, open pores? You will see the drops falling down, so you should have some towel or any napkin near to your body or dress. So like this, just give a gentle massage. Give a gentle hand massage. I'm not going to clean it up, I'm just directly going with the tomato ice cube, and again the same process, gently massage with the ice cube on all over face. Tomato basically very good for removing the suntan or any discoloration, sun damage. It's like divine medicine for that. Generally in summer we tend to get the suntan or sun damage sometimes, so we have to be little careful before going out. Apply the sunscreen. I always say apply sunscreen, apply sunscreen, apply sunscreen. So just gives some cooling effect to your eyes. I have washed my face with the cold water again and going to dab with the dry cloth or a tissue just to absorb the extra water. My favorite, that's the beets ice cube. A lot of drops are falling out, and make sure that it doesn't drop on your clothes. So beets basically gives lot of glow, lot of natural glow to your face. If you drink beet juice or if you apply beet juice on your face, that is really good for healthy skin. It will immediately show on your face. I always, sometimes if I don't want to apply the blush, I simply take the beet juice and just apply on my cheek area, temple of the cheek. It gives very natural, very bright pink color, and which looks really beautiful in fact. So this is how you have to apply the beads. It's the same procedure. We did this cleansing, we did the toning, we did the suntan removal. Leave this for 5 minutes and let it soak into your skin. Actual glow will come out after some time, so we'll wait for that. Let's meet after 5 minutes. I am back and I have washed my face with the cold water. I feel so refreshing and I feel there is no tiredness on my face. It literally feels good. You should try this tip, and I generally follow this whole procedure in summer season. I hope you will like this video. This mini facial is really good for summer season, and this is really refreshing and cooling, soothing for your skin. Most importantly, it is herbal. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family members, and write some comments in down below section. Stay healthy, stay fit. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.